ka-home foodies, and welcome to another delicious session with me. I'm Liana Tan Arsenas for Home Foodies OneDish Wonders. Nako, yung OneDish Wonder natin ngayon is Thai-inspired. Alam mo naman, mahilig ako sa rice, kaya talagang maraming rice dito. Ito maganda, marami siyang protein sources. No? Meron kang itlog, and ang pambato nating product, ang Magnolia Chicken Timplados Tocino. At ang masarap pa niyan, napaka-healthy ng chicken part na ginagamit kasi chicken breast. So bakit pa natin patatagalin? Gawin na natin itong Tocino Bagoong fried rice. Tara na! First thing we'll do is put in 1 tablespoon of oil into our pan. At habang iniinit yan, ilalagay ko naman yung 3 Magnolia Brown Eggs at ibibit ko. So when our oil is hot enough, lagay na natin siya sa ating pan. So next is we're going to put in the remaining oil. And we are ready to fry our Magnolia Chicken Timplados Tocino. So this Magnolia Chicken Timplados Tocino is not only great as your breakfast partner, pero ang sarap din niyang ilagay as sandwich filling, as an inclusion to your noodle dishes, vegetable dishes, at saka, itong ginagawa natin, as a rice ingredient. Yan. I can really think of so many ways on how you can use Magnolia Chicken Timplados Tocino kasi talaga ito laging nasa bahay ko yan, lagi ko sinaserve. So you can cook your tocino to the level of doneness that you want. Yung iba yung gusto nila may batik-batik na ng parang sunog, okay lang. Ako gusto ko ganyan, may konting markings na, but not totally sunog. Ayoko yung mukhang hilaw. And because this uses chicken breast, napakadaling maluto niya. Going about 10 to 15 minutes, you're done. The next step is to put in our sautéed bagoong alamang. So, iinitin lang natin siya technically kasi luto na siya. At pagkatapos, ilalagay na natin ang ating rice. Diba? My favorite carbs ay rice. So, ang tip ko dito is to use day-old rice para ang ganda ng buhaghag niya. And then use 2 paddles to mix para ma-separate mo yung grains like this. At lakasan natin ng konti ang apoy. This looks good. So napansin nyo, I took out the tocino muna before adding the bagoong and the rice. That way, ano siya, ma-mix mo maigi yung rice kasi medyo malalaki yung tocino natin, di ba? But you know, one way, kung gusto mong dire-diretso lang in the cooking process is to cut the tocino into strips already before you fry it. Para when you put the bagoong, the rice, okay lang, that it's well mixed together. Pero kung ganito, I'd rather na hiwalay siya. At this point, pwede na ako magbalik ng ilang tocino pieces para mahalo yung flavor dun sa rice. But just to say, mag-iwan ako ng konti pang topping natin. So yung mga maliliit yung isasama ko. And then also, pwede na tayo mag-add a portion of yung mangga. Because nakalagay sa ating, well, in the recipe, you can put it as topping. But you can put in some already para meron ng contrast in flavor. Grabe, ang sarap. Diba? This is so really easy to do. Kompleto na yung meal mo, oh. May fruit ka na, may kanin ka na, may protein ka pa. Very filling. And you can serve it, pwede na ng breakfast, pwede ring lunch or dinner. Itatabi ko muna, ipapatay ko na yung apoy kasi okay na siya. Amoy pa lang, ulam na. At gagawin natin, bago natin transfer, magkakat tayo kakat natin into strips yung ating egg omelet. Bago natin i-assemble ang ating Thai fried rice idea or ang ating Tocino Bagoong fried rice, ikakat muna natin into strips ang ating omelet before anything else. So since lumamig-lamig na siya, it's easier to handle. Plus, ito yung technique ko. Niro-roll ko siya ng ganito. Tapos, ikakat ko siya ng maninipis. So play with plates para maganda yung effect ng pag-serve mo sa iyong family. Para may konting drama, kunyari kumakain kayo sa Thai resto. Dahil brown itong dish natin, maganda siya against black. Diba? Very dramatic in the thing. So hindi naman kailangan ilagay lahat para hindi naman siya mukhang punong-puno. Ayan na, ihain ko na ang ating Tocino Bagoong fried rice into a very nice looking platter, di ba? Para may konting drama. Pagkatapos, ready na tayo maglagay ng egg omelet na ginawang strips, kinut into strips, as well as ang ating green mango na kinut din into strips. For your green mango, aside from serving it as strips, you can also use yung tinatawag na pickled na or yung chinutney na tinatawag. That way, para meron kang flavor and texture contrast kasi malutong-lutong pag fermented siya or pickled siya. You know, you can just put more as you eat along. This is for our egg strips. Pwede ka na mag-create ng parang flour, so bilug-bilugin mo lang yan. Ayan, ito na ang ating Tocino Bagoong fried rice. Truly a one-dish wonder dahil gawa siya sa Magnolia Chicken Timplados Tocino. I do hope gagawin nyo agad ang recipe, agad-agad na. Kung hindi naman bukas, ay itong upcoming weekend. At sigurado ako, I'm very, very confident ako na magugustuhan ito ng iyong pamilya. So I'll see you again mga ka-home foodies for another session ng masarap na lutuin. So I'm Liana Arsenas for Home Foodie.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious.